Welcome to the essential guide for every traveler's pocket, navigating the maze of international cell phone plans. In today's digital age, staying connected is not just a luxury, it's an absolute necessity. Whether you're scaling mountains, exploring ancient ruins, or hopping between business meetings across continents, your cell phone is your lifeline to the rest of the world. But here's a shocking fact that might stop you in your tracks. Did you know that a staggering number of travelers pay more in roaming fees than they do for their actual travel expenses? Yes, you heard that right. Roaming fees can be a silent budget destroyer, turning what should be a thrilling adventure into a financial nightmare. Fear not, because we're diving deep into the world of international cell phone plans. From uncovering the best providers and budget hacks to mastering the art of data management abroad, we've got you covered. Our mission? To ensure you can post those breathtaking sunset photos, navigate unfamiliar streets, and stay in touch with loved ones without the fear of coming home to a heart-stopping phone bill. So, whether you're a globe-trotting nomad, a vacationing family, or someone venturing out of their home country for the first time, gear up. We're about to embark on a journey to find the perfect international cell phone plan that matches your travel style and budget, ensuring that staying connected is the least of your worries. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Introduction to International Cell Phone Plans. Imagine you're about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime or perhaps a crucial business trip across the globe. You've packed your bags, double-checked your itinerary, and you're all set. But wait, have you thought about how you're going to stay connected? In today's connected world, being able to access your emails, maps, and, of course, social media is non-negotiable. That's where international cell phone plans come into play. They're not just a convenience. They're a necessity for travelers in the 21st century. Choosing the right international cell phone plan can save you from unexpected bills and connectivity headaches. It's a decision that could make or break your travel experience. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first trip abroad, understanding the ins and outs of international cell phone plans is crucial. They ensure you remain connected with your loved ones, navigate unfamiliar territories with ease, and manage any emergency that comes your way, all without breaking the bank. But here's a shocking fact. According to a survey, a staggering number of travelers, nearly 50%, have experienced bill shock after returning from international travels. This eye-opening statistic highlights the importance of choosing wisely and understanding the fine print of your cell phone plan before jetting off. Chapter 2. Key factors to consider. When it comes to selecting an international cell phone plan, think of it as tailoring a suit. It needs to fit your specific needs perfectly. Here are the key factors you should consider to ensure a seamless connection on your global adventures. Coverage is king. The first question to ask is, will my phone work where I'm going? Not all providers cover every corner of the globe. Look for providers with extensive network coverage in the countries you plan to visit. Remember, even the most expensive plan is useless if you end up in a no-service zone. Cost shouldn't cause a heart attack. Understandably, you don't want to return home to a phone bill that costs more than your flight. Compare plans not just for their monthly fees, but also for the costs of calls, texts, and data usage abroad. Some plans offer simple flat rates for roaming, while others have complex pricing structures that can add up quickly. Data speed matters. In an age where a fast internet connection is as essential as the air we breathe, checking the data speed offered by your international plan is a must. Are you going to be stuck on slow, frustrating 3G, or can you surf smoothly on 4G or even 5G networks? This is particularly important for those relying on the internet for navigation or work. Roaming charges, the hidden enemy. Roaming charges can be the silent budget killers of international travel. Some plans offer packages or add-ons that allow for cheaper roaming rates. Always ask about the roaming charges and if there are any specific zones or partner networks where you can roam at reduced rates. Chapter 3. Budget-friendly options. Traveling the world shouldn't mean draining your bank account over cell phone charges. For the budget-conscious traveler, there are several strategies to keep costs low without sacrificing connectivity. Prepaid international SIM cards. A popular choice among savvy travelers, prepaid SIM cards can be a cost-effective solution. You can purchase a SIM card for your destination country, offering you local rates for calls, texts, and data. Some companies even offer international SIM cards that work in multiple countries, perfect for multi-destination trips. Local SIM cards. Upon arrival, buying a local SIM card can often be the cheapest way to get data and stay connected. This option requires an unlocked phone, so check with your provider before you leave. Local SIMs give you access to the same plans that locals use, which means significant savings and no surprise charges. Wi-Fi calling and apps. Leveraging free Wi-Fi hotspots and apps like WhatsApp, Skype, or Facebook Messenger can drastically reduce your need for cellular data or call minutes. Many cafes, hotels, and public spaces around the world offer free Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect and communicate at no extra cost. International calling cards. For those who prefer a more traditional approach or need to make calls where internet service is unreliable, international calling cards can offer inexpensive rates for international calls. They're especially useful for contacting landlines or when you're traveling in areas with limited internet access. Balancing affordability with the necessity of staying connected requires a bit of planning and flexibility. These budget-friendly options ensure that staying in touch with friends, family, or colleagues doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Chapter 4. Plans with the best coverage. For many travelers, coverage is the linchpin of their international cell phone plan. After all, what good is a phone that can't connect when you need it the most? Whether you're trekking through remote landscapes or hopping between metropolitan cities, having a reliable connection is paramount. Let's dive into the plans known for offering the best global coverage. Global giants for worldwide connectivity. Some providers have built reputations for expansive coverage that spans the globe. For instance, Vodafone's international plans shine with coverage in over 110 countries, making them a powerhouse for travelers who don't want the hassle of switching SIM cards. Coverage champions. Providers like Orange and T-Mobile also deserve a mention. Orange's Holiday SIM offers extensive coverage across Europe, making it a favorite among Euro trippers. Meanwhile, T-Mobile's international roaming benefits are hard to overlook, offering data and text in more countries than most competitors. Specialized providers. Don't overlook niche providers that specialize in global connectivity. One SIM card and no roaming offer international SIM cards that work in over 200 countries and territories. These options are perfect for globetrotters looking for a one-size-fits-all solution to their connectivity needs. Pro tip: always check the coverage map of your chosen provider before departure. This ensures that your destinations are well covered, preventing any unwelcome surprises. Moreover, consider the network standards, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, available in your destination countries, as this will affect your overall experience. Chapter 5. Data-heavy plans for digital nomads. In a world where remote work has become the norm for many, digital nomads need plans that can keep up with their data-heavy lifestyles. Streaming, video conferencing, and constant online presence require robust data plans that won't leave you searching for Wi-Fi at critical moments. Unlimited data options. Look for providers offering unlimited international data plans. While these might come at a premium, the peace of mind knowing you won't run out of data is worth it for many. For instance, T-Mobile's Magenta Plus plan includes up to 5 GB of high-speed data in over 210 countries. Flexible data packages. For those who need flexibility, consider carriers that offer customizable or pay-as-you-go international data packages. Google Fi is a standout in this category, adjusting to your data usage and capping costs to prevent bill shock. Plus, it refunds unused data, making it an economical choice for variable usage patterns. Regional plans for extended stays. If you're planning an extended stay in one region, look for plans targeting that area. For example, the EU has roaming regulations that allow you to use your home plan in any EU country at no extra cost, which can be a boon for nomads exploring Europe. Wi-Fi first strategies. Finally, leveraging plans that prioritize Wi-Fi connections can save data and money. Google Fi and Republic Wireless are examples of services that automatically connect to safe Wi-Fi networks and use cellular data as a backup, optimizing for both cost and connectivity. Traveler's tip: when selecting a data-heavy plan, always review the fair use policy. Some unlimited plans may throttle speeds after a certain usage threshold, which could impact your ability to work remotely. Chapter 6. Family and group plans. Traveling with family or in a group? There are cell phone plans designed to keep everyone connected without the logistical nightmare of managing multiple different plans. These options not only simplify billing but often provide better value than individual plans. Sharing is caring with family plans. Many major providers offer family or group plans that allow you to add multiple lines to one account. For example, Verizon's family plans can be a great way to stay connected abroad. offering shared data pools and international day passes that extend to each member. It's like a bundle of connectivity, ensuring no one is left offline. Group discounts and perks. Look out for plans that offer discounts as you add more lines, making it a cost-effective solution for larger groups. T-Mobile, for instance, includes free Netflix with certain family plans, perfect for keeping everyone entertained during downtime. Plus, their international roaming benefits apply to all lines, keeping everyone connected across borders. Prepaid group options. For those seeking flexibility without commitment, consider prepaid group plans. These plans often come with no long-term contracts and allow for easy adjustments to data and call packages, catering to the diverse needs of group members. Travel tip. When choosing a family or group plan, consider the individual needs of each traveler. While shared data can be economical, ensure the pool is ample for everyone's needs, especially in data-heavy usage scenarios. Chapter 7. Short-term versus long-term travel plans. Your travel duration plays a significant role in choosing the most suitable cell phone plan. Let's break down the differences between short-term and long-term travel plans, helping you decide which fits your journey best. Short-term solutions for quick trips. If you're heading out for a brief vacation or a quick business trip, short-term solutions like daily passes or prepaid SIM cards can be ideal. Providers like at&t and Verizon offer daily international passes that let you use your domestic plan's features abroad. These are convenient and prevent the need for SIM swaps, though they can be costlier per day than long-term options. Embracing prepaid SIMs. For both short and long-term travelers, prepaid international SIM cards offer a balance of convenience and cost. These can be particularly advantageous for short-term travelers looking to avoid the complexities of long-term contracts. Long-term commitments for extended stays. Digital nomads and those on extended travels might find long-term plans more economical. Look for plans with no roaming charges in your primary region of travel. Providers like Google Fi offer flexible plans that cater to long-term travelers by adapting to usage patterns and offering straightforward international rates. Local SIMs for deep dives into new cultures. Immersing yourself in a new country for a while? Purchasing a local SIM card can provide you with the best rates for calls, texts, and data, making it a favorite choice for long-term travelers. This requires an unlocked phone but is often the most cost-effective and immersive way to go. Chapter 8. Tips for managing data usage abroad. Even with the perfect plan, managing your data usage abroad is key to avoiding surprises. Here are some savvy strategies to keep your data consumption in check while ensuring you stay connected when it matters most. Use Wi-Fi whenever possible. This might seem obvious, but making the most of Wi-Fi can significantly reduce your data usage. Hotels, cafes, and public spaces often offer free Wi-Fi. Just remember to ensure the network is secure before connecting to protect your personal information. Download maps and entertainment beforehand. Utilize offline features of apps like Google Maps or entertainment platforms like Netflix and Spotify. Downloading maps, shows, and playlists before you leave your Wi-Fi haven means you can navigate and entertain yourself without eating into your data allowance. Limit background data. Many apps run in the background, syncing and updating without your direct input. Adjust your smartphone settings to limit background data usage or switch to manual updates to maintain control over your data consumption. Monitor your usage. Keep an eye on your data usage through your smartphone's built-in tools or your provider's app. This vigilance allows you to adjust your usage before you risk overage charges or throttling. Utilize data-saving modes. Most smartphones come with a data-saving mode that reduces the amount of data used by apps. Enabling this feature can help stretch your data further without significantly impacting your experience. Pro tip: invest in a local or regional SIM card if you're staying in one place for an extended period. Local rates are often more affordable than roaming plans, and topping up is usually straightforward. Chapter 9. Closing thoughts and recommendations. Navigating the world of international cell phone plans can seem daunting at first. However, with the right information and a bit of planning, you can find a plan that suits your travel style and budget, ensuring you stay connected wherever your adventures take you. For short-term travelers, consider day passes or short-term plans from your existing provider for convenience. However, always compare costs with local SIM options, as these may offer better value for more extended stays. For budget travelers, explore local SIM cards or international SIM options that cater to multiple countries. These are often the most cost-effective solutions for staying connected without overspending. For digital nomads, prioritize plans with generous or unlimited data allowances and broad coverage. Providers that offer flexible, region-specific plans can provide the best balance between connectivity and cost. Family or group travelers. Look into family or group plans that allow multiple lines to share data and benefits. These can offer significant savings and the convenience of a single provider for the group.